Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf coming at you with a Tag Tuesday on a Wednesday. Alright, so I'm getting it out here earlier than what I have been. I've got really behind on the tags. I think doing daily vlogs kind of got me behind on a lot of stuff. So I have slowed down on that, and also I do want to apologize a little bit because I didn't post the last day of Frecky Fitvember. I worked open to close that day, so 9 a.m. is when we clock in. I always get there earlier, so I was there from 8 to 8 at work. Not to mention the drive, it's a half hour there. So like we're talking 13 hours of being away from home. And I didn't have it in me. Plus 2 days back to back of having insomnia issues. I was exhausted. And then yesterday I was off and I still woke up early. I still had issues like trying to get proper sleep. Finally last night I got some proper sleep. Although there's some other issues that I'll mention in another video, because this is a tag video. Let's not go too much about all the other stuff. So this one is a tag. Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy tagged me, of course, because we will always tag each other. At least she'll always tag me. Sometimes I miss getting tagged. I'm so behind on videos. Like it's ridiculous how many videos I have not seen. I just haven't had a lot of free time lately. My life's been really, really hectic. Even yesterday, I'm off, but I still had Zoom meetings and had to talk with the general manager about product ordering and this and that. It's been hectic. But anyway, thank you for tagging me, Sandy, and thank you for checking and catching the videos that I didn't actually tag you in and doing them and reminding me to do them in the first place. So, today I'm just going to be tagging one person. I'm going to tag WW Sarah Louise. I don't feel like tagging a bunch of people because there's so many of you guys and I don't ever know who actually gets tagged. So even though I am doing it pretty quickly and getting it done on day 2 after it came out, I still want to give more people opportunities to tag other people because it's embarrassing when it's like me and it's the last one. I'm like, I don't know who to tag. So I'm tagging WW Sarah Louise. And anybody else, if you want to do it, feel free, comment down below. 1, if you have a channel, let me know and I will tag you in a future video. Or 2, if you don't have a channel and you want to answer, I know Vicky's been doing that a lot. Just leave your answers, your responses down below. I love reading them. I love getting everybody's perspective. All right, let's get into the actual topics. I don't know if there's a theme. I honestly haven't even read it. I never watched the video first because I don't want it to influence my answers. So I print off the questions, do the video, then go watch the ones that tag me. So of course I will be watching Tracy over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl because she comes out with these tags every week, and I'll be watching Sandy's, and I'm going to try to watch everyone's this time because it's been a while since I've actually gone through the tag train and watched everybody. So that's a challenge to you guys also. Do that. Go check out everybody else's videos. All right, so anyway, the first 5 are random questions, and then there's a set of 5 either or. So number 1 is, the first one is, would you rather? The first 5, I mean. It's just titled Random Questions. So would you rather go vegetarian forever or only eat meat that you hunt and raise yourself? I mean, this one's easy. Go vegetarian forever. 2 reasons. 1, I was vegetarian for several years, and it's not hard for me. I enjoy it. I do like meat. I do eat meat now, but I do not need it. I do not crave it. Especially since you're saying vegetarian and not vegan. And technically I was pescatarian because I still ate seafood, but I could easily drop that off also. And the other reason why this is easy is because I don't like to hunt and I don't know anything about raising animals, and I could not kill an animal that I raised. I love animals. I don't want to see them die. I know I enjoy their dead bodies when I eat them, but I don't want to see that process. I like when it's, doesn't look like the animal. Even once I went to, and this was when I was still vegetarian, I went to a wedding/family reunion type of thing. Not my family, a friend's family in Kansas, Wellsville, Kansas, I think it was. And I was still vegetarian. I'm like, but I'm in Kansas. I need, or especially so close to Kansas City. I should have barbecue. And at the wedding, they had a pig, but like a whole pig, like apple in the mouth pig. I couldn't do it. I was so grossed out, and that made me stay vegetarian for quite a while longer after that. All right. Anyway, number 2. Would you rather give up ice cream during the summer or hot chocolate during the winter? I guess hot chocolate during the winter. I honestly don't drink a lot of hot chocolate. I don't have a lot of ice cream either, but I'd say I probably have ice cream a little bit more often than I have hot chocolate. So, yeah. Number 3, eat chocolate that tastes like chicken or chicken that tastes like chocolate. Would I? I don't know. That's a weird one. I'm gonna pretend that there's still normal chocolate, but I also had to eat chocolate that tastes like chicken because I do eat a lot of chicken and cook a lot of chicken, and I feel like if it tasted like chocolate, it would ruin all those dishes. So, um, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, number 4. Would you rather be poor but help people or become incredibly rich by hurting people? Obviously, poor and help people. That would be ideal now. I mean, I help wherever I can. I just can't help out a lot. So there are services I do a lot of stuff with. That social group that I joined, we raise money for charities. We did an online um, canned food drive, which was really just people donating money, and we raised over $1,000, and that was awesome for food outreach. And that money goes to people that need help with food, and they have HIV or they have cancer. That's the type of stuff I love doing now. And I can't really, do money myself, but I can help in other ways. And I definitely would never want to get rich by hurting people. I never want to hurt people in general. I would like to be rich. Can I be rich by helping people? That would be awesome. Number 5, would you rather always have an itch that you can't reach or always have a song stuck in your head and you can't remember the name? The song one. I get songs in my head a lot and I never know names. I could know a song by heart, not have any idea what the song's called or who does it. So I'd rather have that. There's always something playing around in my head anyway, so it's not a big difference. All right, number 6. These are now either ors. At the movies, candy or popcorn. Popcorn. I'm a big popcorn person at the movies. That's also why I don't go to the movies as often anymore, because I could seriously get the large, or however big those things are, not the bucket, the one below it. I could eat that whole thing. That's also why I got to be 376 pounds. But I'm not a big candy person there. Like Milk Duds, I know I used to as a kid, but now I'm like, they're too chewy. I don't like getting it stuck in my teeth. So popcorn. Number 7, manicure or makeover. Well, I've had manicures lately. I honestly would love like a full style makeover. I would love if somebody could do that. I don't know style well. I mean, I know what I like with my hair, but that's about it. Well, okay, I need to do my hair. But that's about it. I would love if somebody could come and take me shopping, needs to be their money because I'm broke, and give me like a full style makeover. That would be fantastic. I would love that like no tomorrow. Either or, passenger or driver. I prefer to drive. I have control issues and anxiety issues when I am a passenger for too long, even on road trips. Like a couple years ago when we went 12 hours away to Texas, I drove the entire way there and the entire way back. Like people are always like, come on, you can take a break. The only time I will give up the steering wheel is if I'm just too exhausted to do it and it's risking crashing. And not to say that, I won't ride with somebody occasionally, but I typically don't. I'll pick you up or I'll meet you there type of scenario. All right, either or, dancing or cooking classes. I would love to take some cooking classes. I love to cook, you guys know this, and I think I'm pretty decent at it, but taking some formal classes would be amazing. Dancing, I have no rhythm. I have had friends that have tried to teach me, and some of them are amazing dancers, and some of them actually, know how to teach dance. And I can't do it. I'm horrible at it. Like the only type of dancing I could do is maybe like some line dancing where there's set moves that you're doing, or that type of stuff. I can do like the Macarena, but actually feeling the rhythm and just going with it, I'm not good at. I don't have any rhythm. I can't. People have tried. Don't say, oh, if you just try. No, I can't. Okay, last question. Pictionary or charades? I honestly have never played charades. I know what it is, of course. I've seen it in movies, but I've never actually played it. I have played Pictionary, and that is fun, but I'm horrible at drawing. But I still think I would pick Pictionary. Because I can at least kind of get the point across, even if I'm horrible. Like, I mean, my stick figures look bad, but I can get the point across. Charades, I don't know, since I've never played, maybe it is easier than what my brain is picturing right now. I'm just picturing certain things, like how do you act it out? And like, plus I don't know all the codes for like, one word or whatever I don't know. I see people do hand gestures, meaning one word, two syllables, whatever. I don't know. I don't know all that stuff, so I'd really lose pretty quick. All right, so that is all of the questions. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Sandy, for tagging me. Thank you, Tracy, for creating the tag, and thank you, WW Sarah Louise, if you do this tag. All of them will be linked down below, as well as all the questions if you feel like answering or making a video yourself. So let me know. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you later.